Alright guys, in this video I will show you how to remove that ceiling panel for the X5 E70. Okay, we're gonna remove that trim piece here. You can use only hands, just like that. Once you remove that, you have two clips right here. So you can use flat screwdriver. You push like this. Okay, let me change the angle. And this one, push like this towards back. Okay, both of them are loose, and you have two more aside, but you can just force it gently. Okay, one side is out, the other side also. Then you can change your bulbs, just like that. Thanks for watching.